Why'd you grab that basket? Did you?
So she could go get the eggs. That's what she's.
Oh, Wendy's here. Look.
Did you find eggs? Look at the eggs in here.
Lots more.
What are you gonna do?
Scarlett, look at the eggs. Oh my goodness.
You want Mom to put it down here? Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Holy moly.
Look at all that stuff. Wow.
Peeps.
Always take those out of the boxes. Wow.
Are those tree frogs?
Peeps.
Is that an egg?
There should be things in there.
Oh. Yeah, what else is in your Easter basket? What else did the Easter Bunny bring you?
It's behind you.
Wow, where are you going? Hi.
What's in your basket?
I think there's other stuff in there. Should you check? Egg.
Oh. Hey, get out.
Eric, be careful, her arm.
Oh.
Bunny.
Oh, goodness.
Oh.
That's so sweet. What else?
Oh. What else is in there?
A story?
Story.
Oh, should we read it? Okay, what's else? Oh, some chocolate? Oh, you didn't pass up the candy? Oh, what else? Chalk?
Ooh, that's
To
good.
play outside?
She's going to make a direction.
What else did the Easter Bunny bring you? Ooh, is that finger paints?
Oh, that's a little hair products?
And uh-oh!
Oh, that's one way of getting in there.
You okay? Oh no. Do you want your lion?
Traditional Easter
Can
lion.
you give him loves?
Oh, so sweet.
He's going to give you hugs too. Oh, yeah. What do we see?